If you're feeling a little tense or overstimulated, this practice will help you unwind and slow things down. Let's start in child's pose. Begin to let the body soften here and allow your breath to slow down. Inhale deep in through your nose. Exhale, release out of the mouth. As you begin to calm and soften here and settle into your breath, allow any lingering thoughts to release. Allow your body and breath to soften even more. This flow is all about releasing the day, any tension, any stress, anything lingering in the body, and allowing the mind and the body to connect and rest fully. Take another deep breath in through the nose, release out of the mouth. Allow your breath to soften now. On your next inhale, gently rise up to tabletop. Hands stacked below the shoulders, knees stacked below the hips, back parallel to the mat. And we'll take thread the needle. So inhale, lift the right arm up. Feel the stretch across the upper back as you thread your arm underneath your left shoulder and crawling your left hand out, tenting your fingers. Breathe deeply here, feeling the stretch in the back of the shoulder, your upper back. An option to take a bind here with your left hand on your lower back, palm facing up. Breathe deeply here as you stretch. Then release the left hand down, pressing up, lifting the right arm up on your inhale. Then releasing your hand down back to the mat. And we'll switch sides. Left arm reaches up on your inhale, exhale, release down as you thread the needle, tenting the right fingers as you crawl the hand out towards the front of the mat, or an option to take a bind here. Breathe deeply as you stretch across the upper back. Allowing the temple to rest into the mat, softening your gaze or closing your eyes. Next, release, lifting your left arm up on your inhale, then releasing your head down to the mat. We'll crawl our hands forward for puppy pose, bringing the chest down, really lifting the hips up and back, gazing forward, bringing the chin down to the mat. Breathe deeply here and then slowly crawl your way up and lower to your belly as you take Cobra. Forearms to the mat, gently lift the chest as you inhale and broaden across the collarbones. Next, take Crocodile, stacking your forearms, bringing your head down to the mat and allowing your body to fully rest. Feel the breath moving into the belly. Inhale, we'll crawl the hands out to the sides, sensing the fingers, and lift the chest for baby cobra. And lower all the way down. Inhale as you lift again. And exhale, lower all the way down once more. Bring the forearms down, then press up and back to child's pose. Resting the head here for a minute in the center. Breathing deeply here. Then inhale, gently press up and begin to crawl your hands over to the left for a deep side stretch. Breathing into the side of the body to create space through the ribs. Then inhale, lift up gently. Crawl your hands over to the right. Breathing into the side body again. Deep stretch here. Then inhale as you crawl back to center. Release the head down as you rest here for a breath. Then slowly make your way back up to tabletop, preparing yourself for cat-cow. Inhale, we'll draw the sternum forward, gazing forward. Exhale, round the back for cat. Inhale, press forward. You can curl the toes here. Exhale, flatten the tops of your feet as you round the back. Inhale, press forward. Exhale, draw the navel to the spine, rounding the back. Move with your breath here as you inhale up and exhale back. Inhale up one more time and exhale down. Then release and curl the toes under. Lift the hips up for downward facing dog. Gently wake the back of the legs and release any tension as you pedal the feet and ground the heels down if you can, gently bending into your knees. And we'll take turbo dog, taking the knees to the chest, then downward dog, and we'll just move back and forth through that movement 2 times for a little warmth. Then soften back into stillness with downward dog. Step the feet forward towards the hands. Exhale, release and fold. Then take ragdoll, grabbing both with the elbows, breathing deeply here, allowing the head to feel heavy, releasing the neck and shoulders. And swing side to side gently. Then inhale, vertebrae by vertebrae, slowly rise up while holding the elbows. And release the hands, clasp the hands behind you to open the chest and the front of the shoulders, rising the head up. Release the hands, then inhale, lift the hands up, clasping the hands up, bending over to the right, then the left. Then exhale, release and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release back, bringing the knees down and come back to child's pose. Softening the breath here, allowing the head to release down to the mat. Take a few breaths here as you rest. And slowly inhale, come back up, cross the feet behind you, then sit back. Bring the soles of the feet together for butterfly. Allow the hips to gently open without any force. Breathe deeply here, spine tall. You can press your knees in slightly for a deeper stretch. A few more breaths here in butterfly. You can close your eyes as you allow your body to stretch here. And gently begin to bring your knees up, pressing the feet into the mat. And we'll prepare ourselves for windshield wipers, bringing our hands behind us. Then slowly bringing our knees down to each side. Slow and easy movement through the hips with your breath. Then we'll separate our feet out wide for a wide leg seated forward fold as you crawl your hands forward. Lengthen through the spine as you fold forward. Breathe deeply here. You can also use a block as well. Then inhale, lift up, bring the legs together. And exhale as you forward fold. You can grab your feet, your shins, or your knees. Allow the back body to soften. No need to go super deep here. Just breathe gently. Inhale, rise up. Then slowly lower to the back. Then bring the knees to the chest, rocking side to side, massaging the lower back. Then in circles, and just move in a way that feels good to you. Remembering to breathe as you move gently. And we'll take the feet to the mat. Bending the knees, we'll take supine windshield wipers, arms to the side. Moving with your breath, gently to each side. Allow the legs to fall heavy, releasing through the hips and the spine. And gently lower your knees over to the left, allowing your body to gently twist here as you breathe. Then inhale up and come over to the right. Breathing and releasing. Come back to center, then inhale, lift the knees and the feet up. Then grabbing the outsides of the feet, rock back and forth for happy baby. Gently open through the hips and the lower back. Massaging the lower back once more. Then inhale, lift the left leg out and back. Release, and then switch over to the right leg. And release both legs down as we prepare for Shavasana. Allow your whole body to settle in a resting position, palms facing up beside you, legs collapsed, feet relaxed. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, release out of the mouth as you close your eyes, relaxing any leftover tension in the body. Nothing to do here, nowhere to go. Take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Notice your breath, a little slower, a little steadier. Let this be your transition out of the day and into rest. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, release out of the mouth. Then bring one hand over the heart and one hand over the belly as you feel the rise and fall of your breath, allowing your body to deeply settle here and relax. One more time, in through the nose. Exhale, release out of the mouth. And slowly begin to awaken and turn over to the side or fetal position for one more breath. And slowly press yourself up for a seated position. You can rest your eyes here for a moment as you ground and rest. Inhale deep through the nose. Exhale, release out of the mouth. Take a moment to thank your body and mind for connecting today and for allowing yourselves to rest. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, release down, palms to heart center. And slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for joining, and be sure to subscribe. And I have more resources linked below if you need them. Namaste.